Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 112 Hudson Street, Unit 4, Providence, Rhode Island. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, townhouse style apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Gleaming hardwood floors throughout. Big open floor plan on the main level. Got your living and dining area here. Before we head upstairs, let's head into the kitchen area. You got ceiling fans here. That door to my right leads to a private, unfinished basement. Plenty of storage room down there. We'll go left to right. You got oversized refrigerator, granite marble countertops, electric stove, built-in microwave, Lazy Susan down there, big undermount sink, dishwasher, back entrance there leads to shared parking, big closet there. You got a half bathroom on the first floor. That's our front entrance. Let's make our way upstairs. Top of the stairs, you got bedroom number 1. Big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. Corner room here. Big windows. Ceiling fan. Right here in the second floor hallway, we got washer dryer hookups. Linen closet there. To my right, you get the first full bathroom. Beautiful vanity, mirror. Shower tub. Bedroom number 2. Big enough for a queen set. This is in the front corner of the house. We make our way up to the 3rd story here. Bedroom number 3. Could fit a queen set. To my right here, you get the 2nd bathroom. Beautiful vanity. Toilet and a shower, no tub. And then you got bedroom number 4. Also could fit a queen set. If you'd like to apply for 112 Hudson Street, Unit 4, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of the screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.